Technology is evolving at an incredible pace over the last couple of years. For example, advances in cloud technologies and also in the AI space are becoming more accessible and also expected by key users. Pharma companies are also changing the way that they adopt digital solutions, which is changing the perception of MES and also bringing about a digital-first evolution. New software applications and automation tools such as low-code and no-code applications are also streamlining operations, providing richer data insights and also enhancing communication across the business. Data-driven decision-making provides real-time data insights which drive continuous improvements across the business. MES holds central importance in digitalization strategies because of the critical functions it can achieve, for example, production execution, production management, quality manufacturing, and procedural controls.